Hi guys, this is another installment in how to build a yearbook spread. Now this is kind of where we left off, but I wanted to show you some tricks about how to kind of use what you've done and not work as hard. This one, down below, if you have seen that little excerpt on Hobble, something that kind of helps break stuff up is to use shapes. How did I do this? You go to art, to shapes, and then you can make it as big as you want. Okay, but I think that's a gross color. So this one, you can take it and go blue, spicy if you want to. I don't care. But another thing is you can kind of play with the transparency of it. So this one, if you want to go have a little tint, you can kind of play with the color. You can round the edges if you want to. Okay. Now what I did for my spread is that I went and I got the text box and I just put it on top like this. Now, again, there's text down below. I'll tell you a very easy way to do this. If you take this, because we already have smaller text and it's going to be 8-point font, you go to duplicate. What can you do? You can use this outer edge here. This is a whole different font. So I changed the font. I also don't need all this. So you can take I don't need to have everything all bolded. So sorry. Okay, you can put it right here. Well, this is underneath this. So here's something I want to show you. You can bring this up above. Now we got that wonderful box right there. So seems to be good. Okay, next thing I wanted to show you is the clip art. This one, if you look at my example, there is a little line that shows the Q&A on how your first day was. Where did I get that? I got that in clip art. And then you can get lines, you can get stickers, you can get any of that. Okay, there's 3, I think there's 5. There's 5 different individual circles. So you want to put them right there. And I also, again, love that stroke. The small problem, but I'm not sorry. Okay, I'm all done with that. Well, this one, we got a problem because that's over our line. So again, go to here and send it to the back. And if you go to duplicate, let's just do 4 for continuity purposes, because you guys don't want to watch this forever. Okay, so again, you can go and make sure that it's gridded later. Down below, it also has text. If you remember from your example, we're going to use this also. So you want to take, you want to take this And it's a really small box, so you want to make sure you cut this. Kind of rule of thumb, anytime somebody's talking, anytime they give their quote, which it was, how was your first day? You want to italicize it. Now this one, if it doesn't let you go in the gutter or off the page, you can just extend it. Now, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And we have a bunch of uniform text. And you can format it at will. But yeah, that is kind of all we needed. Again, you go and you grid after you're done, but those are some easy shortcuts on how to get that done. All right, y'all are awesome. End of video.